Just coming through the forest here. I'm actually up in the north of Germany at the moment. Just thought I'd call in this forest. It's, just check it out, you know. I've got none of my equipment with me, but I just noticed this huge rock, and it's big. Just sitting on top of the leaves. And it's not been there long, as you can see. The leaf underneath. And looking around, there's absolutely nowhere I could think of where that could have come from. There are boar in the area as usual. I don't think boar have put that there. And there's also another stone over here. Again, it's not been there that long. It's a beautiful colour stone, that. Yeah, so I might go and do a little bit of half an hour squatching, which I think is what I'll do.